Well, hello there. So I am currently driving through the North Cascades Mountains in Washington State. I'm on the North Cascades Scenic Highway right now, and it's pretty beautiful. I know it's hard to beat Glacier, but yeah, this is just different and nice. And I know you're thinking, how many mountains and trees do you want to see? And the answer is all of them. Here we go. I'll just give you a quick panoramic. I'm heading towards Diablo Lake, Ross Lake area for camping tonight. How are you?
Good. Do you have reservations?
Nope.
Okay.
Is this the ferry to get to Olympic National Park?
Where are we going to?
Pardon?
$6.40.
Okay. Can I pay with a card or you need?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it sounds like people go play.
Is that the motorcycle price or is that?
Motorcycle.
Oh, okay, nice. I like when that happens.
I know. You're going to go to the front of 6.
Front of 6. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. What time does the ferry?
2 o'clock, so it should be here.
Oh, soon.
5. Yeah.
Okay.
Around the corner, we'll see.
Cheers. Thank you. around here?
Yes.
Are they having some kind of an event here?
Yeah, Wooden Boat Festival.
What is it?
Wooden Boat Festival.
Oh, okay.
20,000 people here. Yeah.
When does it start?
Tomorrow.
Wow. Okay. Cool. Thanks. There's no camping around here. Is there tent camping?
Fort Worden. But it's probably everything's probably booked.
Oh.
Not here, but Fort Worden. You might check in the fairgrounds.
Okay.
Jefferson County Fairgrounds might be your only hope.
Awesome. Thanks.
But it's kind of basic, but it's at least.
That's okay. Cheers. Thank you. So I've been riding through the North Cascades Loop through the North Cascades National Park in Washington State, and I have to say this has probably been one of the more beautiful states I've been in. I rode all the way up through Neah Bay doing a hike. It's called Flattery Point? Flattery something. Anyway, and that's where I am right now. It's been incredible. This whole coast is just like kind of mind-blowing. You have rainforest, trees, mountains, oceans, lakes, rivers. There's really not much not going on here, so it's pretty spectacular. I'll give you a little peep. Way I'm going to the edge. Stick. Yeah. I mean, I know it's down there, but you know. Okay, this Pacific Northwest thing is like, it's incredible. Look at this. Wow. It's just the densest, most beautiful, lovely rainforest ever. Let's all move here. Okay, so I am currently driving south on the 101. I'm in Oregon, which by the way is equally stunning to Washington. I think it's just this whole coastline. Visibility has next to nothing. And it's raining, and I'm up on like some pretty high passes over the coast, and the wind is like blowing the bike around. And I'm like, I'm in a good mood. Well, fuck it, right? What do I have to do? Just like find the joy in it. It's 59 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm wet, soaking wet, and I'm a bit cold. But genuinely, it's been an amazing day. I haven't filmed for a few days because I was just going through like just some sort of emotional ups and downs, just trying to really figure out my next move. Started thinking about like my finances and just like where I am with that, and I think I got a little like discouraged. I'm cool, I figured it out. I mean, not the finances, but like I figured out my attitude about it. I'm in a really shitty spot waiting out this storm, so I think I'm just gonna get back on the road. I don't have a lot of options. But anyway, you can kind of see that is the ocean. And that is my visibility. Let's put you on the helmet and ride a little bit so you can witness my spectacle. It's always fun to experience different climates and conditions to ride in, but after 3 hours of this, I was really cold and getting pretty miserable. So I stopped in a little town called Pacific City, Oregon, right on the coast, and had to get a room for the night because everything I owned was drenched and I had to get some laundry done. And I hope you will tune in for the next video. I am going to answer all the questions that folks have been sending me, all your curiosities, a few personal questions, and about my finances, because everyone wants to know how you do a thing like this. Hint, I'm not rich. So yeah, tune in for the next video, and thanks again for watching, and please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Cheers.